If you often find yourself texting photos or emailing them, unfortunately that does reduce the quality of it, and essentially it shares that photo and takes up storage on the other person's device as well. There's a better way to be able to share those photos and videos without losing the quality while sharing, but also not taking up space on that other person's device. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use those shared albums and how powerful they can be. So first, just open up the Photos app on your iPhone. And let's say I want to share some of these plant photos with my wife, Haley. The first thing I'm going to do is tap on Collections at the bottom left. Let me get back out of here. Tap on Shared Albums at the top, and then tap on the plus at the top. Now, what a shared album is I can add photos and videos, but the other person can as well, and they will all be synced up through the iCloud on any iPhone, iPad, or Mac computer, so we can all see them. And the best part about it is they're full resolution and don't take up space on the other person's device. So the first thing I'm going to do is name this Plants, because I'm going to add plants, and tap Add Participants. And in this case, I'm just going to type in Haley here, my wife, and tap on the check at the top right. So now I've created that photo album, and I can choose Add Plants, but I'm not going to do that yet because there's an easier way to do that. Tap on Create at the top right, and just like that, you've created your first shared album. Tap on the back arrow here, and then tap on Library at the bottom left. Now, let's add all these photos of plants. We can individually just tap on the photo, and then tap on the Share button at the bottom left, and then scroll down and hit Add to Shared Album. And down here, Shared Album, I'm going to choose Plants, and then just hit Post. However, if you have a bunch of photos, you can either just search for them or select all of them. So I can also tap on Search at the bottom right, and I'm going to search for plants and hit search. And you can see if I scroll down here, it does somewhat of a good job. You can see, I guess there's maybe some plants in the windows behind there, but I'm going to tap select at the top right. And then I'm just going to drag my finger to all of those photos. Tap on share at the bottom left. And then again, just scroll down and hit add to shared album. And make sure it says plants here. I can even add a comment here if I wanted the other person to see my comment on why I added those photos or videos. And just tap on post at the top right. Just like that, I can go over to collections again, tap on shared albums, and then tap on plants. And just like that, you can see all of the photos and videos that I have added. Again, Haley or whoever you add can also add photos and videos to that as well. And it's constantly synced up. Keep in mind, all of those photos and videos still live on my iPhone, and it won't be on the other person's phone. They're just shared through iCloud. I hope this helps. If you found this good and useful, check out this video over to my right. I think you'll really like that video as well. And thanks for watching.